Hi guys, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how to use a plant that is very common in Japan. You will find it here in May, June. It's called Dokudami and it's considered as being one of the 10 medicines in Japan. It's been commonly used, especially in the countryside, in old times where when it was difficult to get medicine from the city, people, they would use what they had around them. They would make the most of the nature's bounty. And Dokudami is really a plant that has lots of benefits for the health, especially for the skin. You can use it in two ways. You can make tea with the leaves and then skin lotion with the flowers. Let me show you how to do that. So you use white liquor that has at least an alcohol degree of 35%. Then you put your flowers in the jar. You should keep 80% of the jar open so that you can shake the whole thing every day. Then cover. I can add a little bit of flowers tomorrow. But that will do for today. That's our lotion one day after being soaked in the liquor. Bonjour. Bonjour. Okay, so it's been about a month. My leaves have been drying in my Angawa. I could have picked them up and done the tea sooner, but there we are. It's been a month. It's really dry. What I'm going to do is put the leaves in this nice pot, and then I'll be able to enjoy Dokudami tea. So I'm going to cut the leaves to make it, you know, easy to put in a pot to make the tea. We can keep the stems. They are good for the health too, no worries. Voila. If you put your leaves directly on top of the pot and cut, that will be quicker. So Dokudami has a very distinctive flavor and smell. I must say that I don't really like it, but it gets better if, for example, you mix your Dokudami leaves with Hatomugi cha. Hatomugi tea is said to be good to mix with Dokudami tea. Apparently it enhances its benefits and also it makes the taste better. So I recommend it. Oh, it's getting full. Oh, sweet. Okay, last batch. Last bundle. Very nice. we are at the end. Yes, we did it, guys. How rewarding is this? Making my own Dokudami tea with the Dokudami that I picked and dried and just cut myself. This is so nice. They actually do sell also Dokudami in stores, but I mean, you can find it all over the city and in the countryside in Japan. It's so easy to find. If you want to enjoy, like me this summer, some slow life, I recommend that you do this. I've been doing Dokudami tea for many years now because my neighbor recommended it to me. She said, you know, that she was using it especially for her daughter, who, when she had acne when she was younger, but also I heard about all the other benefits and thought I have to do this. Voila, so very nice. Guys, also you might know that I've been into recycling and, you know, also taking stuff that I find in the street, which is very often in Japan. Like people, they throw away just such nice things. I can't let people throw away such nice glass jars like this. I found this in my street something like last year. It had no top, but I'm using this linen and it's so convenient. That would cost, I don't know, maybe 20-30 bucks in the store. I think got it for free taking it in the street, guys. Voilà, very happy about this. Now we are going to make our lotion. Alors, the Dokudami lotion, bought a small bottle to use as a spray. It's good, the lotion, the face lotion is good for heat rash. So it's especially good during the summer, I would say. A lot of us get the heat rash or sweat rash during the summer here because you know that Japan is so humid. My friend, one of my friends inspired me to make this. I saw she was making this on Facebook and I thought I had never tried to make the face lotion. It's my first trial at it. It's so easy to make, guys. So the flowers have been soaking into 35% white liquor that you can find everywhere in Japan when it's the season, because you know people, they pickle plum too, which I have done, and it's going to be another video theme. This is going to be a very slow life summer this summer. My friend, she said you can start using the lotion when the flowers, which are white at the beginning, when they get transparent, which is the case after a month. What I'm going to do is I bought a small container on purpose, because then it's going for two reasons. It's going to be easy to transport in my bag, in my purse, and also what I'm going to do is, if I don't use all of the lotion this year, you can keep the lotion. I have read, because I checked many videos on YouTube, Japanese videos, and there was a girl who was explaining that to her, she had a lotion that she had made that was a 1 year soaked lotion, 2 years and 3 years, and she was explaining that to her the 2 years one worked the best. So I figured that, you know, we could try and keep maybe half of it for next year if I don't use it, all of it this year, and then we will see. I will make it every year and we'll see which one works best, but you can use it right away. Let's put it in the container already. Okay. All the smell. Haven't opened it in a month, so oops. Okay, that's it. Voila. There. We still have a lot. That's 30 milliliters, so it actually doesn't smell bad, guys. It smells, it has a hint of alcohol smell, but it smells mostly of flowers, I would say. It's nice. It has a light liquor, more like perfume smell, I would say, and it has really a distinctive flower smell. It doesn't have the bad smell, the strong smell, let's say, of, you know, the leaves, of the Dokudami leaves. It's summer already. It's been very hot these last days, so I can try. Yeah, it's actually very refreshing. This is good. So no color. Yeah. The smell is good, guys. It has a little bit of a, smells almost like ethanol, but it's almost like the feeling of putting some perfume on me. So this is really good. This is a very good surprise. I hope it will help with the summer rash. Gets very, you know, like itchy during the summer. So thank you, Cheryl, for inspiring me this video doing the face lotion. Hope you enjoyed, guys. There will be more of this content over the summer. Also, another recipe I've been working. I made this last weekend. So pickled plums in sugar and a little bit of rum. This is a Korean recipe that I found in a book. So voila, there's going to be more of this. I hope you will enjoy. There's going to be some gourmet videos too, of course. Let me know in a comment, because I'm doing lots of day trips to Kamakura. If you'd like, there are some places that you would specifically like me to visit. Please let me know in the comments. Have a good summer, and I will see you very soon again for more slow life recipes. Lots of love. Gros bisous et à bientôt. Bye guys. Matane.